guys, if you're here, you got this problem wrong, so let's go ahead and work it out. So first things first, identify your variable. My variable is here, so I'm going to put V for variable. And my inequality symbol, I'm going to say IS for inequality symbol, is right here. And we're going to make sure my variable is on the left. It is, so I don't have to flip this. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my line, and we're going to start solving this. So step number 1, I need to add my constant to both sides because it's a negative right now. So I'm going to add 71 to both sides. Now make sure when you're doing this, you're lining up your decimals. The decimal falls behind that number, so I'm going to put a 0. This cancels out. 5 plus 0 is 5. Put my decimal. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I have 87.5. And now we're going to bring down 3.5x and my inequality symbol. Next thing we're going to do is get x alone. So I'm going to divide that 3.5 to both sides because the opposite of multiplication is division. Cross that out. That gets me x. I don't flip my symbol because that was a positive 3.5, but if that was negative, I would have. Now I'm going to take that 87.5. It goes in the house because it's my cowboy, and cowboy goes in the house, and my horse, 3.5, will stay outside. Now since we're dividing decimals, we need to make sure to make the decimal that's on the outside into a whole number. The way that I am going to do that is by moving my decimal over once on the outside and then once again on the inside and raise my decimal to the roof. So 35 can't go into 8, but it can go into 87. I'm going to try it by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Let me try 3 times 2 is 6, 7. I don't think it could go into it again, so I'm going to put 2 here. 70, 7, 1. So now bring this down. That's 175. I need to figure out how many times 35 can go into 175. I'm going to guess 5. That's my lucky number. 25, 15, 16, 17. And it's pretty lucky, it looks like. So I'm going to put my 25 here, or my 5 there. Subtract 175 to both sides gets me 0. So my answer is x is less than or equal to 25. Now you need to make sure you know how to graph this. So 25 here, I'll do 26 here, and 24. Put my dot around it. This is going to be filled because there's some extra ink underneath it, and mine's pointing to the left, so I'm going to draw mine also to the left. And that's your answer.